Well, YouTube, that's a little sketchy. Got an old breaker here. Pretty crazy. I'm above. All these different levels. Steps go up here. Well, somebody's been busy stealing the copper out of that motor. Man, that's a labor of love. That's a lot of work. Extreme lot of work to get that copper out of there. They got most of it picked though. Still some left for them though. There's a shaker. There's a shaker with the screens. Screens are still in it. That's cool. Yep. Screens are still there. Just watching my step here. This floor don't feel so damn good. And then I guess, you know, it's another part of it. You can go up and up and up. It's old though, it's a mess. Yeah, it's a mess. Another hopper here, where material fell in. This must have been like kind of like a wash station. It would wash it, and then they would these paddles would pick it up and throw it onto the chute here. So yeah, this was a washing station right here. So this is the, I guess, the first conveyor, or the main conveyor. Yeah, so come down here and get a wash. I got a big hole in the floor right here. I gotta watch where I'm walking. I don't want to go through this floor. Yeah, and here was a washing station too. Apparently all the screens were removed. Yeah, the screens are all gone. Somebody took them. As you can see, they have nozzles on here for washing the coal. And it was a shaker too. You see the big springs, shock absorbers. So there's one more level. One more level, YouTube. I gotta shut you off to get you up here. Hold on, we'll be back. Yeah, I'm not sure if they had further structures here because I see stuff up there. So I don't know if they had big chutes up there or some damn thing, or did they drive up this road and dump the coal right into here to start the cleaning process and the grading and all of that. So again, not sure how they got it up here. This is where the coal started its journey through the breaker, right on the top. Now other breakers usually have conveyor systems or like a big belt, you know, run the material up to the top. But as I said, I'm seeing structures up here. I have no idea what this was. Was there more here that was removed or destroyed? I have no clue. So this is what's left of the old breaker. Thanks for watching.